On this 2016 to 2024 Honda Civic with the 1.5 turbo engine, P2563 is a turbocharger wastegate control actuator position sensor diagnostic. In plain terms, the PCM is seeing the wastegate lift sensor signal outside the range it expects. The vehicle may feel down on power, may have inconsistent boost response, or may simply turn on the warning light. Broadly, this can involve the wastegate actuator position signal, the turbocharger assembly, the related VCC2, DCWGL, and SG2 circuits, or, less often, PCM-side interpretation. Since there is no direct standalone test for the sensor itself in this path, the diagnosis works through the related components and circuits in order. Before diving into pin tests, start with the basic system checks and keep the diagnosis structured. The first useful split is the HDS data item called EWG voltage from lift sensor. If that value is less than 0, 31V, follow path A. If it is more than 4, 78V, follow path B. Turn the vehicle to on mode and confirm the value again. If it is still less than 0, 31V or more than 4, 78V, the failure is duplicated and you can move into the matching test path. For the low voltage path, disconnect the turbocharger 5P connector and perform the first turbocharger wastegate control actuator position sensor inspection with IG mode on. The normal unit output voltage for the listed checks is about 5.0V. Be careful here. The connector terminal locations matter, so do not guess at probe positions. If this inspection is normal, the path points to a problem with the turbocharger. If it is abnormal, keep going into the related component and circuit checks. For the high voltage path, disconnect the turbocharger 5P connector, then jump terminals No. 3 and No. 4 with a jumper wire. Turn the vehicle to on mode and watch the HDS EWG voltage from lift sensor value. Normal here is less than 4.78V. If this inspection is normal, the path points to a problem with the turbocharger. If it is abnormal, continue into the related component and circuit checks. When the actuator position sensor inspection sends you toward the related circuits, protect the PCM side before disconnecting it. Jump the SCS line with the HDS and wait more than 1 minute before disconnecting the PCM connector. Then disconnect the turbocharger 5P connector and PCM connector E, the 80P connector. The VCC2 open wire check, DCWGL open wire check, and SG2 open wire check are normal when each has less than 1 ohmega. For the DCWGL short to ground check, the normal result is not shorted. If any of these circuit checks are abnormal, the problem is in the circuit. If the other inspection items have all indicated a normal condition, the remaining inspection path is the PCM. At that point, the diagnostic result points to a problem with the PCM. Keep the logic clean. Prove the scan value first, choose the low or high path, test the turbocharger-side response, then move through the circuits before blaming the controller. After the fault area has been corrected, verify the repair separately and confirm P2563 stays gone. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.